Hey, what's up guys, it's me Peter, and today I will be unboxing my first ever camera from Sony. It's the A7C that's got right here. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, so this is my Sony A7C mirrorless full frame camera. I ordered this from Amazon. First I planned to get from Best Buy, but it's end up get from Amazon because they are the same price, but Amazon have a bundle extra accessory, so I go with that. Let's unboxing it. Let's see what we got inside. All right, here we go. Wow, I got a lot of stuff inside here. Let's see. Camera flash, wide angle lens with macro, telephoto lens, filter. I think I might need that in the future. Also got extra battery and a charger from Wasabi. I have no clue what this is. Come with the camera bag, very nice. SD card, and also come with the program here that you can use, photo video suite, and the camera itself right in here. Wow, very nice box. Deluxe starter kit. So that's what I got here. Camera, all the accessory all over here. Wow, that's a lot of things here. The main part is right here, the Sony A7C. This will be my upgraded camera because I already sold all my camera. User manual doesn't really read that. Here it is, wall plug from Sony. This is battery, neck strap, kit lens, so will be 28 to 60 millimeter. Very nice lens. Let's check out the camera body. Wow, it's gonna be very nice. This is my first Sony camera, flip out screen. I got the black one. First I planned to get the silver one, but I think it look kind of like old style camera, so with the black one look better to me. So that is just a unboxing, and let's check out camera bag and see what we got inside it. Put this on the side. Camera bag. I don't have to buy a new camera bag then. They already come with it. Okay, a good size. Very nice bag. Come in the bundle. Oh, they have some more stuff in here. Wow. Okay, this is a strap. And what is this? Oh wow. They got like a cleaning kit. Let me open it. What did I get? Screen guard. Oh, this is the SD card case, wrist strap, microfiber cloth, brush to clean the lens, alcohol pad. Let me see. Oh, not bad compared to a Joby Gorilla. Actually, it's not bad quality of this. I could save me some money already. I have to buy the. Oh, but the head is plastic. Okay, this is a rubber, so good for vlogging. Nice. What else in here? Air blower, all natural, 100% safe. Camera lens and sensor cleaner, alcohol free. Okay, that's good. I can clean my camera lens. They have the waterproof thing to cover up the bag just in case raining day. And that's it. That's the bag. That's an unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be doing a video test and picture all that in my next video. So if you enjoy this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.
Yeah.